what's inside of you. Cause I'm tired of wondering, baby, what to do. I don't want nobody else but you. And I don't want nobody else but you. And I don't want nobody else but you. Girl, I only want.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Nomisa like here with a really beautiful face. And if you're joining me for the very first time, welcome honey. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back honey. So guys, today is, what date is it? I know it's a Wednesday though. Guys, it's date and yes. It is a Wednesday. Not date number. It didn't get December, guys. So I just got back from work. Well, after that I went to pick up my brother. He's just here for a few days. He came to visit. Well, he came to see Mchana wake. And guys, if you're wondering, I'm selling these jackets. If you want to place an order, DM me.
Mom, move aside.
DM for price. Okay guys, so episode 4 of Vlogmas. You're getting some snacks.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, so today so today we are having a bride. We're having a bride. Yeah guys, so if you want as jackets, you can order from me. This is a size medium. Yeah, medium. Yeah, hit DM. DM for price. Yeah, and guys, okay, we're having a bride. So when the chocolate, we're gonna have chocolate and garlic bread. Bride. So we're gonna have garlic bread. No, the chocolate and yam. Okay, guys, let's do this. Do you like my jacket?
Ngiyazibuza ngizoyaphi ngaphandle kwenu ngoba
Yeah, right.
izandla ziyagezana.
That's right. It's right. Hey, go. Go. That's just fresh.
Ngifunda uthando. Ngifunda
Number one, I don't have e-battery. I'm only charging my phone now. And because
No.
number two, I don't think I will have enough content for
Mom,
this
the
vlog.
boys will not know.
Huh?
The boys will not know.
The boys are what?
The boys will not know.
The boys will not know.
Yes. I said this. I said this.
And that's big boys. So guys, I don't know. No one
It's gonna be close.
because today's just a bright car. That's all. Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna stop vlogging here. I don't have content, guys. I'm sorry. Or maybe it's because the day today is the 10th. So go say early, guys. We can still have like 5 episodes for our Vlogmas challenge. No, we are not that behind. Okay, guys. My name is Chakalaka. We're gonna have chocolate and garlic bread. We just had steak, guys. It was delicious. It was super delicious. Besifake name garlic. Ooh, guys, besimandi. Okay. So I decided which chocolate sazuyenza. So braai yethu singatsho ndithi botched. Azubuy la plate aesthetically pleasing, but okay, it's still a braai because inyama is there. Nansi inyama yethu ne. Sausage nje. Okay, ngathi sausage.
Ish, now I must come to your level, but it's fine. Oh, what's
Hey,
up?
guys.
Welcome, guys, or another beautiful episode of Fire
Vlogmas.
Vlog October.
Not Vlogmas.
Vlogmas. No
Yes.
berries. Know what I'm saying?
Yes, guys. So, guys, okay, Mamelanke, guys, we're not gonna have I'm not gonna do chakalaka anymore because already says is a steak. So we're just gonna have it braai name garlic bread and then sit down, enjoy a series. We're gonna watch a series. I don't know about you. I'm also gonna watch a series now.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, fine, Zulala.
We don't sleep.
Okay, yeah, guys, because guys, it's a steak. It was.
I don't wash.
It was.
You don't cook, you don't clean.
I don't
So,
cook,
yeah.
I don't clean.
Yo, guys, need to step up. Okay, so guys, this is where our episode for today ends. This is where our vlog ends. I really hope you guys
I don't
do
cook,
enjoy
I don't clean.
this
I don't
vlog as
cook,
much
I
as
don't
I
clean.
enjoyed making it for you guys.
Yeah,
Guys, we are distracted. And a shame. Cut.
because I don't cook, I don't clean.
You don't get it. Okay, guys, so I also get disturb. Anyways, guys, if you watched until this far, please drop me some red hearts in the comment section down below. No, not red hearts. Some Christmas trees, guys. Masibe. Song masibe in the Christmas spirit. Don't forget Christmas trees.
One for you. Mama, can you open these for us? I'm going to tell my mom to open these for us. Mama, can you open these for us?
Say please.
Please.
Utheni ningahlambanga?
Tisambile.
Utheni?
Tisambile. Mama, is that my new bottle? Can I use it? Open. Open. Please, Mommy.
Okay, sweetheart. Utheni nijonge izinto endizithengile?
This is my new.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Nomisa Lakia with a really beautiful face. And if you're joining me for the very first time, welcome and welcome, honey. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, honey. So guys, today is the 16th of December, 2025. I just came back from work. Whole day, guys. What did I want to say? Oh, okay, so this is our episode 4 of the Vlogmas Challenge. And guys, a lot has happened really, because today is a Tuesday. A lot has happened since the Christmas party, but I did not vlog. For example, on Saturday, I went to Bizana to go and fetch Utumzi, Ompele's sister. She's spending the holidays here with us. So I went to Bizana, but when I put on my phone, so I did not vlog. You guys remember the last time I came back from Bizana, there was a funeral at home at Bizana. So when I came back, that was again, I touched my phone, so I think it's a lot of trauma and us. So when I went to party phone, so that's why I was not able to vlog. But I did ask my sister to take clips, and yes, nobody was total now or not. I'll ask her and then insert them if yes for mana. So yeah, and we also went to see a new addition to the family. Our cousin has a baby on a newborn. So it's also like Tibani Sakla can be one. So I want to and then what else? So yeah, guys, just came back from work. I'm so tired. Abantwana bahlambanga. So when I tell abantwana, Usisi is off today, my nanny. So yeah, but bahle nolunat with that born. Yes, okay. My younger sister, but bahlambanga. So uzawuhlamba one and mhlambe one. But tomorrow Usisi will be here. So, but we have Vala again. So, oh, guys, it's okay. So, guys, what did I want to say? Oh, okay, so I bought the girls on Pila Tumzi. All right. So the time is 15:31. 3:30, guys. Yo. And finally, siyavala ngom. So, and then see what? No, so one by one. Alright, guys. I want to twins. I want to twins in real life. But say that because in 2 days I'm drowning. But my sister's gonna be here on Thursday. She's also closing on Wednesday. So also meet up on Thursday, and then guess is on December way to December way to Monday. I've already started buying you guys just like today I bought potatoes because ababaya watana mazaman. Bafuni potato chips, bafuni mesh, amazama nabo sometimes wafaka ne soup, ne salad ke bayayitya. So nje I bought amazamani. Also bought some snacks for snacking during the day, the fruit. Nale potile bene monsa yona. Le sikya for utums. Pila already has one, but ndifuna abafane. Ziyalingana ezi esikompile sipink esalunye siblu. Nzelwaba ngaqabana. Yeah, guys, so I think that's it. I'll see you guys again when I have content or when I'm doing something interesting.
Nithi ngokwenza umapha.
Ewe. Sibuze kwaba bantu umzamo kahambe na. Guys, sileqa umzamo. Ibus ebheke Mthatha. Suka eBizana. Okay. Hey guys, so we are parked just outside Standard Bank waiting for umzamo. Ibus lezothatha to Mthatha. So apparently kuthiwa izafika ngo-7. The time now is 6:50, so it means it's early shame. Sileqa ibus erongo. So izafika ngo-7 from here to UK. Basically benzola nomntana. Oh, and also besobona newborn. There's a new addition to the family. So besobona umntana newborn, and then see umntana wekhazi lethu, and then ndilanda umntana ke for holidays. Holiday yakwamakazi kulo December. Yo, azithena ndibonakala nje. Okay. So here's the baby. Bye. Surprise. How you feeling? Yeah?
I'm gonna go to the playground, and also I love to do my hair.
Hey guys, so today is the 17th of December 2025. It's my last day at work. I'm officially on holiday. Yeah. Ooh, guys, abantwana bami ngizoshona kwasibanika full attention. Not land bashem bathi bayavuka andikho ndiyabuya lo 2 minutes siyalala. No, I'm officially on holiday. So nathi emsebenzini we're just wrapping up. We're gonna have a smallanyana braai, nothing big, and then people can start hitting the road because abanye ngabakude. So that's that. I just dropped UCC that's gonna do the girl's hair. Yeah, and I didn't want to be there because color. But in the a blowout because you will have seen from yesterday's clips. The course. So back fan before I'm look. Guys, and then sivala unyaka. We thank God, guys. We thank God that nathi sikwazile uba sithi sivale, go on holiday, you know. Abanezitokfela sirhala kuni, guys. Yo, guys, ndizilontshile lo nyaka beningena kwamgalelo wezinto ezimandi. Beningena, it's gonna be cash. Yo, nhliziyo yam amehlo am abuhlungu. I don't know uba ntoni. Oh, I think because ndiqalwa yi-flu. That's why. Did guys, lo nyaka ndizilontshile beningena kwamgalelo we-grocery. Apha minyakeni over the years siye sibeka imali for inentsika kaDecember. And into yokuza kwabantwana kum this December was not planned. It's something just very yabo that so yo packet umuntu uzawuva kahle sana. Uzawuva, but next year I think ndizophinda ndibuyele back emgalelo because umgalelo bengikade now this year andazi bandiphazanyiswe intoni. Oh, okay, I know why. So kuzoba ngecash and ndizoba ngathi ndiyatsha for ukutya kanti into yoba everyday funeka umuntu ayesitolo, akho zitampu, akho mgalelo, akho nix. And kaloku siqhele laa nto uba emakhaya most parents take care of everything, so this year kuzobe ngekho parents, but we are going home on the 22nd of December.
Mola piluyaka Lerato la haula mpula la zela. I love you, I love you.
Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Melissa like here. So guys, today is a Friday, the 19th of December. I just came back from the gym. The time is, I think, 9. I think it's 9 o'clock. Currently making studio for the girls. Let's do the morning porridge. And then what? Clean my room. I want to be so productive, guys. Namhlanje. Isolo, I did not even go to the gym. Been lazy. I've been in bed the whole day. Oh, but I need to back isolo. That's why. So namhlanje I want to be very productive. Oh, but in the end, laundry. It rained just after the impahla. So ngoku ngizongenisa impahla because you're making it. Yeah?
Ooh, just listen. It's you and me. I wasn't even looking, but then you showed up, and everything made sense. You feel that too, right? Like it was always meant to be. It's not perfect, but it's real. No mask, no games, just us. You get me, I get you. No words needed, just this feeling. Only us. Just this. I don't need the world. Just this moment, just you standing here. It's deeper than love. It's everything we didn't know we needed. It's not perfect, but it's real. No mask, no games, just us. You get me, I get you. No words needed, just this feeling. Just us.
So I'm about to go to Maclear now to fetch my sister. Say Pumile Itex to Maclear, so I'm going KFC. Oh, OTD. I'm just wearing this jeans. Alright, let me show you guys. Huh? No. This is huge.
I wasn't even looking, but then you showed up, and everything made sense. You feel that too, right? Like it was always meant to be. It's not perfect, but it's real. No maths, no games, just us.
Hey guys. Hey guys. So I am in Maclear right now. I just arrived. I'm parked just outside KFC, waiting for my sister. The time now is 6 o'clock, 18. I'm not sure what time she's gonna arrive because I just sent her a WhatsApp text and she has not yet responded. I think she's in Lillian. So I'm just gonna wait. Oh, actually, let me go to Debonese. Oh, guys, gonna put on stress. Apha eqaleni kwami uthe sana ufuna uhlambe imoto, so ndathi no inkosi, so ngoku uyathetha apha eqaleni uzenza juice marhe untuntu and ngoku uhlambe imoto omnye usisi baxabana lo sisi uthi uhlambe le nto imoto endingakucelanga ntuntu. Yho sana ngondoyika nophuma apha because kuthi andicalele uba mandiyethe Debonese but ndosaba uphuma ndosaba lo bhuti. So anyways, guys, let me go to Debonese so long. Dibend yo. Oh, the bomb to system, but anyway. Dibend yo order ne because but I just then the lean the I don't think we could demand go becho we are pomang 5:30. So 18:01 and it takes most isuke Maclear natsika nangulo sesephuma guys shem. Ufike imoto yakhe ihlanjwe icala ubhuti abantu ushiya isephu yakhe. So abecho ngo 17:21 ubaba yaphuma but ke ngoku kuba itaxi iyama ko Hopedale tonton yabona kuziphaluka. So I think that's why ngikafiki because ayizohamba straight to Maclear, izohamba yehlisa abantu kanje. Guys, let me go to Maclear. Andisonqena uphuma guys, kuyatshisa and ndinxibe ijumpsuit. Wrong day to wear isigqebhezana. Andandinxiba isigqebhezana xa kutshisa because xa utshile sana kuye kube neza lines you and ndingarecoverishi ngoku. So I rather wear into esigqebhezana xa kupholile kungatshisi kakhulu but xa kupholile yabo nje. Ngoku uzoveza amathanga and then uvele utshe ube nezikini eziyi-2 ke ngokhala zeziyi-2. Guys, let me go. That's very nice 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Hey guys, I come back. Send the vela at Debonese, so I bought the pizza. Club. It was $1.99. Before net drink eqaleni 1.5 liter for free. But here ayikho, so baxolisa. But you know it's okay. Kakade benhle ndingazi into mina ngezo special drink. Guys, I'm even stressed yakhe ngosister wami because okobethe she's 5 minutes away. Mani ngosho. Ebesho ngo 18:05. Ibona ngo 18:21. Go 18:05. Uye wathi yena. Check WhatsApp wami. She's 5 minutes away. Because ndikade noba angahloli netaxi, yabo. Vele ayowehla le imam flash or something. So yeah, ndijonga kwateksi ke ngoku apha and andiyiboni iteksi egqiba ukwehlisa abantu. And kudala ndihleli apha because bathe ipizza ndizawulinda plus or minus 15 minutes. Ingenzeka iphele kwaloo 15 minutes. Ndilindile because jonga ndithenge ngo-18:13 ne. Manixesha ngo. It's 18:21. 21 minus 13 is 8 minutes. Izawuphela ngo-15 minutes ndilindile. Oko bethe kudalo 5 minutes away. But ke shem andiyazi uba into 5 minutes uyithathe phi because akayazi le ndawo. Maybe uxelwe ngumntu obehleli ecaleni kwakhe andazi. But also even if akaxelwa ngumntu ohleli ecaleni kunini kaloku uphumile kutsolo. Besho ngo-17:21 ngo-18:21 ngoku which means hour. Ayo hour musukusuka kutsolo. Guys, come ndimfowuneleni niva. I'll be back. Hey guys, so ugele uthi bayangena ngoku eMacLear, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit and then ndihambe ndokollecta actually madam ndokollecta because idlule kudala ngo-15 minutes and then ndiphinde ndimlinde apha. But guys, I do want to put it out there that mna into communication iyandibhora. Umntu acommunicate nje uyandibhora. I hate umntu acommunicate. Noba sikwe setting, noba sikwe relationship, noba siblings, noba we're in a professional space, noba friends, noba kuphi. Guys, just communicate. Into enzima ucommunicate. I'll make an example about this one. Umntu uthe ndiyafika in the next 5 minutes. Yadlula 5 minutes, yadlula 10 minutes, yadlula 15 minutes. Why ungazona update ke ngokuba girl sine delays? Okanye sesafumana iphantsa endleleni. Okanye abantu baninzi bahambe besehla so yabo nje. Because what do you want me to think? And guys, I think abantu bathanda ukuthi ke but now we have the same equal opportunities to check up on the other person. Ubuze bakwenzeka ntoni because 5 minutes ndiyibona iphela ungekafiki. I don't think fanele ba ndim. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't think fanele ba ndim ophinde futhi enze check up. Ekubeni kunguwe othe ndiyafika apho in the next 5 minutes. Idlulile ke 5 minutes, yadlula ke 15 minutes. Ndabona okay, mhlawumbi ngangize kuba ikhona into enzekile, ndafona again. Uthuntu no sisendleleni, yabo? But intoni enzima ucommunicate because it means ifone yakho inayo ibattery. Unayo idata. Njengoba imessage uyifundile waphinda wakwazi uba uphendule. So intoni enzima ucommunicate guys, like ngicela certain ngale communication because niyandibhora shem. And for me into communication is deal breaker. Hey guys, so we just got back from MacLear. Pizza. And oh my god, Kelly. Let's say hello. Guys, burgers. 4 beef burgers. Cheese grillers. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 cheese grillers.
No,
Bacon.
you are crying.
Bacon.
Oh,
Guys.
why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Chicken burgers.
Are you hungry? You hungry?
More chicken burgers.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Chicken Viennas. 900 grams. More beef burgers. The patties.
Chicken nugget.
More chicken Viennas for the babies. Chili Russians.
Mama, can I have french fries, please?
Cheese.
Mama, can I have french fries, please?
You want French fries? More cheeseburgers. Oh, yes, the one bus is chili Russians again. Wow. Woo. More cheeseburgers. And you block your cheese. Guys, it's sorted.
You know, I wonder why you act the way you do. I sit and wonder why you just don't have a clue. I try and figure out what's inside of you, 'cause I'm tired of wondering, baby, what to do. And I don't want nobody else.
So guys, if you
but
did
you.
enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and of course click the bell icon for future updates. See you in my next one. Bye.